This is also very nice. Today on 22nd of July 2024 we have Suvilahdenkatu. Södervikskatan Tuesday say. You can also watch the stakes be here. It is also in Södernen and Helsinki Sports Uusimunion, Finland. Invest is 6 birds for 80 grams with 8 floors. It has been built in 1992. The number says 67167. The doors 8 square.
Yeah.
Okay. So not too slow at least.
Yeah.
The garden and the garden entrance is on the second floor here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is dit Bikewise maintained by Kone?
Yeah, we can do a second ride.
Yeah.
Nobody is coming.
Yeah.
I like the sounds of this smell here.
Same.
Probably no more stakes, it's going to stay and be here.
Yeah.
And unfortunately the building physics was badly modernized with engineers.
Yeah.
And then there's a lot of building here that is finished in 1993. That's why this might have been finished in late 1992.
Yeah. That's